Alright, so let's take you inside my NATURNEST aluminum rooftop tent. And it's on my Nissan Armada. Alright, we'll go in the side here. Alright, so here we go. You got a pocket here, a pocket here, you got a map pocket here, then you've got 3 other pockets here, you've got 2 pockets here, and then the same thing on this side. You've got a pocket here and a pocket here. It does have the LED light. It starts right over here and goes around to there. So it's got some clips here on the walls and stuff that you can clip here and hang. So that's pretty nice. That goes down through there. There's also a channel for more lights, I guess, or maybe cords. Oh, maybe so you can run this cord down through here to where you're gonna plug it in. That makes sense. So you got a screen on each side here, and then you've got your window. Back of it there, and then here again the side that came up down there. So and then you've got your screen here that I've got rolled up, and then your rain fly or window, whatever you want to call it there. So one of the things that I really liked about this model compared to some of the others, this rain fly that sticks way out. So I can sit here with the window open, right in the back, as long as the rain's not coming at me, and just sit here underneath of it with this nice view of my neighborhood and my garage. But yeah, so put my feet down at the end, lay down. I am 5'11" and I'm in here just fine. So my feet, if you wanted to, you can spin around, you know, you can sleep with your feet down here at the end. That could be easy too. And then just sleep that way. So either way, it works out pretty good, huh? This is the way. All right, yeah, man, so this is my rooftop tent. I'll leave it set up so the kids can see it when they get out of school. But yeah, let me know what you guys think.
When life keeps falling and wonder where he is in all this mess, he's right there to guide you, unseen, you're not alone.